Denim decor. Remember, creativity doesn't need to be expensive. Have you ever looked at an old pair of jeans and thought, maybe I should throw away? Well, today we are going to look at old denim in a completely different way. Because sometimes the things we are ready to throw away can become the most beautiful things in our home. Welcome back to another creative craft journey. Today I have an old piece of denim, and instead of letting it sit forgotten in a drawer, I'm going to turn it into something beautiful, useful and perfect for home decor. I am showing you the designs, and honestly I love crafts like this. They don't need to be expensive, they don't need fancy materials. Sometimes all we need is a little imagination, a few simple supplies, and the courage to create something with our own hands. So let them begin. First, I taking this old denim fabric carefully, preparing it for our project. Denim is such a wonderful material for crafting. It is strong, durable, and has that beautiful casual texture that instantly gives a handmade project a stylish look. And the best part, almost everyone has an old pair of jeans somewhere at home. Maybe they don't fit anymore, maybe the color has faded, maybe they have been sitting in the cupboard for months. But before you throw away them, stop for a moment, look at the fabric, look at the texture, look at the possibility. This is the beautiful thing about recycling. You don't always need something new to create something special. Sometimes you just need to see an old thing with new eyes. Now I am cutting the denim into the pieces I need. I always enjoy the part because this is where the idea in my mind slowly start becoming real. At first time, it is just a piece of fabric, but step by step it begins to take shape, and this reminds me of something very simple. Creativity doesn't happen all at once, it grows slowly. One small idea becomes another, one small step leads to the next, and before you know it, you have created something you never imagined before. Now it's time to start assembling the main part of our decor. I am carefully arranging the pieces and making sure everything looks balanced. I don't want it to look too perfect. I perfectly love handmade craft because teeny imperfections make them feel special. When something is handmade, you can see the effort behind it. You can feel that someone spent time creating it, and it's something you can never get from mass produced decoration. Now I am adding the decorative detail. This is my favorite stage because this is where the personality of the craft appears. You can use simple buttons, ribbons, pearls, lace, flowers, beads, or anything you already have at home. There is no strict rule. Your imagination is the rule. And that is what makes DIY craft so exciting. Two people can start with the exact same piece of denim and create two completely different decorations. One might make something simple and elegant, another might make something colorful and playful. And both can be beautiful. As I continue decorating, I can already see the transformation. That old denim is no longer just an unused piece of clothing. It is becoming a piece of home decor, something that can bring character to a wall, shelf, table, and even a cozy little corner of the house. And suddenly that old pair of jeans has a new story. It was once part of someone's everyday life. Maybe it went on walks, maybe it went shopping, maybe it was worn on a special day, and now instead of disappearing into the trash, it is becoming something new. I think that's what makes upcycling so meaningful. We are not simply making crafts, we are giving old things another chance. We are turning memories into decoration, we are turning waste into creativity, and we are reminding ourselves that beauty does not always have to come from something expensive. Sometimes beauty comes from simple things: a piece of old fabric, a little thread, a few buttons, a little glue, and a lot of patience. Now I'm carefully finished the final details. I'm checking the edges, adjusting decoration, and making sure everything is secure. This is also a reminder that good crafts take patience. If something doesn't look right the first time, don't give up. Try again, move it, change it. If something, remove something, add. That's how creativity works. There is no perfect first attempt. The important thing is to keep creating. And now the transformation is almost complete. Let's take a moment. Look at what we started with. Just an old piece of denim. Sometimes that could easily have been thrown away. And now look at it. I completely new handmade decorations. This is why I like DIY crafts. They make us look at ordinary things differently. A bottle can become a decoration, a cardboard box and become storage. Old fabric can become beautiful home decor. And old denim become the star of a completely new project. So the next time you find an old pair of jeans in your cardboard, don't throw it away immediately. Ask yourself one question: what could I create with this? Maybe you will discover a new craft idea. Maybe you will create something for your home. Maybe you will even discover a hobby that you truly love. And who knows, one small recycle project could become the beginning of your own creative journey. You can start your business. You can sell it on Etsy. If you enjoyed watching this denim transformation, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you try to make something like this from your old jeans. Write your opinion in the comment section and what we create next using recycled materials. Remember, creativity doesn't need to be expensive, it only needs imagination. So keep creating, keep recycling, and most importantly, never underestimate the beauty of something old, because sometimes the things we are ready to throw away are just waiting for a second chance. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. We will definitely try to bring new and most beautiful designs. Hope you're enjoying these ideas and designs. Hope you're enjoying this video. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. We will definitely try to bring best and beautiful designs for you. Denim gives a cozy, rustic, creative look to your home. Old jeans are reused instead of being thrown away. You can create attractive door decor without spending much money. So what are you waiting for? You can try it. Make something. Handmade denim decor can become a thoughtful, personalized gift. Unique handmade denim products can potentially be sold online or local craft market. So start your own business, start your craft. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of you.